Welcome back to my channel, Modestly MASKI. I am MASKI and today we will be making my delicious hot water cornbread. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're just going to get started. What we have right here is we have our yellow cornmeal. We have about 3 spoons of brown cane sugar. We have a tablespoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. And we have a spoon of aluminum-free baking powder. Okay, so we have our boiling water right here. And we got it covered, and so it can stay hot. So we need to hurry up so it can stay really hot when we need it. And we have our ice water to be able to form our patties. So now we have 1 kilo, which is 2.2 pounds of cornmeal. And we're going to just put everything right inside of our cornmeal. Now, just so you know, I don't usually use sugar most of the time. I just put a little bit of salt and a little bit of baking powder. I don't even use the baking powder all the time, so you can definitely do it without the baking powder. Sometimes it just be a little bit of salt and my hot water. So we're going to start adding our boiling hot water. So what happens here is that the boiling hot water actually cooks your cornmeal as you add it to it, okay? So before you even get it to the stove, it's halfway cooked. We got it to the consistency that we wanted. See? Okay, so now we're going to just start forming our patties. So you're gonna just put your hands right in there, and you're gonna take some mix. This right here helps to make sure that you don't see how perfectly formed that is. This way you don't burn yourself. Okay, put that down. My mother and my father are from down south, so we eat, you know, a lot of southern foods like greens and beans and chili and cornbread. There was an elder that taught me how to make hot water cornbread when I was still really young. I started cooking, believe it or not, when I was 6 years old. And I would be I couldn't even reach the stove at that time. And I would be standing on a chair and cooking food for me and my sisters and brothers, because my mother was busy, you know, sometimes, and I was the oldest child. I'm the oldest of 12 beautiful children. I have 7 brothers. I'll be rich one day. And I have 4 beautiful, talented sisters. And I just love cooking. Ever since then, my sisters and brothers will always tell me, MASKI, you have to share this with the world. But back to my story. So there was this elder sister. Her name was Mother Elisheva. And she lived in Abroad, and she was teaching me how to play piano, which I didn't get past the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do on my fingers. I just never got past that. But one day, she was like, okay, let's stop and have a lunch. So I was like, yeah. And she taught me how to make hot water cornbread. So that's where I actually got this from. And this sister could cook. She could cook. So she's the one who taught me how to make hot water cornbread. And she's the one who taught me how to just mix it up and put it straight inside of the pot. Your skillet when you finish. Like, we didn't make the patties like this. But this is cool too. So we're just gonna make a few more patties before we go and get our skillet hot and going. Okay, so we got our cast iron skillet. We got it hot. We got the oil hot. And we're gonna now just start putting our patties inside. You see? Now, we don't have any oil inside of the patties. I'm just going to place them in there. And then we're going to just flip them when they get nice and golden brown. We can put one more in the middle. Can we? Okay. All right, it look like it's time to flip these beautiful things. Whoa, look at that. Okay. Woo. Look how beautifully golden brown those are. You see that? Wow, so we're going to give those about a minute or so to finish up, and then we're going to be getting our plate ready with our paper towels to soak up any excess oil, and we'll be right back. All right, now, so these look like they're about finished. Let's check. Oh, yeah, perfect. So we got our plate with our, where you going? Where you think you're going? Our paper towel to soak up any excess oil. Ooh, my baby's gonna love this. Aren't you ready to eat these cornbread? This cornbread? She just been over here saying, "Oh, I just want the cornbread." Yeah. So, tell me how you make your hot water cornbread. I would love to know. I like to see how everybody else makes stuff too sometimes. Okay? Look at this delicious hot water cornbread. Okay, so we have our hot water cornbread right here, and we have to try this out. Oh boy, let me see. Whoa, look, you can see the inside is completely done. Let's see. You know what my daughter told me today? She said, "Ima, after I had your hot water cornbread, I don't want no other cornbread but this one. This is good. You have to try it out." Thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time here on this channel, please do return if you like the videos that I'm making. If you would like, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. I really appreciate everyone who have been supporting me, who have been subscribing and liking and commenting. Thank you so much. Please let me know how you make your hot water cornbread. And leave a picture even in the comments below. And let us know how this recipe come out for you. Until next time, peace and blessings, everyone.